Good evening. I am Saurabh Samanto, looking after Vitalist Team 2 based at South Bengal, Bardhaman headquarters. And now I am just going to share what is the success of the activities of my career. So before starting any activities with any doctors, just there is 3 points, that is pre-plan, follow-up and post-plan. So in pre-plan process there is some criteria is there. So what I have done in my pre-plan process, that is in-depth profiling of a doctor. So in-depth profiling means doctor's molecule choice, doctor's preference of the camps, if doctor is camp minded or other sponsorship minded. So in this way I just done the profiling of the doctor, and then the doctor done the follow-up. What is the follow-up? Follow-up there is how much patients has enrolled for that particular camp. So before doing any camp I just give a notice of 15 to 20 days or the particular date. So on between that 15 to 20 days how much patients has enrolled for that camp, that is the regular follow-up is needed. And then the post plan. So what is post plan? Post plan there is after doing a camp, so I need a prescriptions from the doctors. So just do the regular follow-up with the doctors, that how much prescriptions I generated from the camp. And what is the benefit of the camp? So benefit in the camp, that is the give the new prescriptions test, and which gives us more motivation. And also by camp I can frequently visit a doctor, so that can also help me to increase the relationship with the doctors. If any new brand comes in my basket, so I can easily generate the prescriptions from that doctor because I having a relation with that doctor. And also view a corporate image towards the doctor by establishing our activities in front of the doctor's chamber. And also if any new doctor is practicing in any interior places or any new chambers is doing by any upcoming doctor, so if I conduct a camp regular basis with that doctor's patients definitely will increase, and at the same way our business also will increase. And if I show my what is the status after doing the activities, I actually did 20 to 21 activities within 3 months. So this include the check BP camp like diabetic camp, like ECG camp, like KVC, and also CMEs like Alliance Plus and Cardio Forums. And previously our sales status was very pathetic, but after doing this much activities our sales is also increased. And that is the figure, that is if there is 1% is there, so after doing activity that is percentage, that is 50% or 60% growth is there. So that is the main motivation for me also doing this kind of activity. So that is not the end. So I am doing 21 activities, that means that is not the end, but that is the beginning of my career. I can organize much more quality camp in future time. So that will also make my career more productive, and also increase the volume of prescriptions, also increase the volume of business. So that's all. Thank you very much.